Steam temperature is controlled using an attemperating system. It consists of a desuperheater, spray water valve, spray water block valve, and a strainer. The control system measures the temperature of the steam, compares it to set point, and then increases or decreases the spray water accordingly to maintain temperature set point. The desuperheater can be a ring or insertion style depending upon the water flow requirements. The spring-loaded nozzles in the desuperheater have relatively small passages, and it is recommended that a strainer of suitable size for the nozzles be installed in the spray water line to prevent nozzle plugging. It is important that the spray water and block valve shut off tightly, so that water does not leak into the steam line when it is not required, causing potential damage from thermal shock or efficiency losses from operating below steam temperature set point. Emerson has the capability to test spray nozzles in the field. In this sample video, a complete non-Emerson insertion-style desuperheater is being tested by inserting it through the rubber boot on the left side of the test machine. The machine also has the capability of testing individual nozzles through an adapter on the right side of the machine. Any manufacturer desuperheater or nozzle can be tested. A video camera is installed to fully document the test process, so spray patterns can be evaluated remotely. It is recommended that spray nozzles be tested for plugging every 12 to 18 months, and that nozzles are replaced with new units every 24 to 36 months for optimal operation.